I got myself a new Dashcam with an unnecessarily long name on Amazon. The ROVE R2 4K dual Dashcam front and rear starts 2 sensor free 128GB card included 5GB of Wi-Fi up to 20 megabytes per second. Fastest download speed with app 4K 2160p FHD dash camera for cars 3-inch IPS 24-hour parking mode. That's some advertising.
Okay, it looks like we got an instruction manual, which is nice. Looks pretty. We got some instruction quick guides and some ad whatever. Looks like we got an SD card with some stickers, which is cool. And we got a box, which is pretty nicely packaged, I guess. As you can see, I'm struggling with one hand. Let's see what we have. Okay, it looks like that's an attachment, I think. Kind of hard to see in the wrapper. Then we have another attachment, probably for the front camera, I guess. And what else do we got in box number 1? It looks like some attachment. And it looks like the rear camera. Oh, it has an adhesive pad too, which is cool. And the front camera, pretty nice. It's actually pretty light. It's a lot better than my old one for sure. I guess weight-wise. And as you can see, I probably should have just taken out the front camera first. And now we're gonna see me struggle, that's horrible grammar. We're gonna see me struggle to open box number 2, and it looks like we have some cable that I'm struggling to take out in this box. Okay, we have some clips and some adhesive pads, I think. We have an orange thingamabob, probably to hide the wires. Some wipes for you nasty people. And some power cables to attach to, oh, another power cable. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I really like how neatly everything's packed though. And, oh, another cleaning wipe.
So the instructions were pretty straightforward. So the first thing we did was just attach the front camera to the front camera attachment, which was pretty much just sliding the front camera into the front attachment. For the rear dash cam, it's pretty much the same process as the front. Just wipe the window clean, then attach it. Not too hard, not too easy. Actually, it's very easy. And now let's see how it actually works and looks like. Test time.
Video mode. Recording started.
Overall, I think this is a pretty good dash cam. Has pretty good visibility at night and actually records your speed. So if I ever do get pulled over for not speeding, and the cops say I sped, I can just use that as proof, saying like, "Look here, knucklehead, I did not speed, you buster." All right, bye.